Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you like this look that I've created today, just keep watching and let me know what you think down in the comment section. Please don't forget to give it a like and please hit the subscription button. It's like down there, either down here or down here, I'm not too sure, but it's going to be somewhere and it's going to be on the screen, so please do hit the subscribe button and let me know what you think down in the comment section as well. Thank you, till next time, love you, bye. Hi guys, now that you've seen me be vain and everything, let's get down to it. So this particular look, oh my god, it was such a struggle. I honestly did not know what I was doing. So I put the B, I think that's what it's called, the yellow shade in the James Charles palette, and I used the orange shade to like for the crease and everything, and then I tried to do like a halo eye. When I tell you, the yellow side completely flopped and it was stressing me out. Oh my god, I had to basically just wing it. So I tried to do a halo eye, that didn't work. Then I used the white shade for like the halo bit in the middle. That was looking terrible, so I said, you know what, forget that. So I decided to use NYX primer and put glitter so I can save myself. But you see it very soon. I just wanted to quickly make a what's it called? A voiceover so you can know ahead before you actually watch it. So yeah, just watch and you see what I'm talking about. I think it came out okay in the end, but let me know what you think.